This is going to be a video tutorial on how to take screenshots in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To take screenshots in the Brave web browser, say that I wanted to take a screenshot of this Google search bar here. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Save and Share. Put your cursor over Save and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and down to where it says Screenshot. The keyboard shortcut is Control plus Shift plus S. I'm going to click on Screenshot. Now all you need to do, my mouse cursor has become crosshairs, as you can see. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag while holding down the left mouse button. Say that I wanted that right there. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. Now a little dialog box has popped up. The screenshot has been copied to my clipboard. I'm going to click on Download to download the screenshot to my device. A little dialog box will pop open asking where I want to place the image, and I could rename it. I'm going to go down to the bottom, click on Save. Now I'm going to open that folder that I just put that in. Right there is my screenshot. I'm going to double click on it to open it. And there is my screenshot. That is how to take a screenshot in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.